Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Starcraft 2 with friends. First, make sure everyone has the game installed and updated to the latest version. Starcraft 2 is free to play, providing access to the Terran campaign, unranked multiplayer, and custom games. Once installed, simply launch the game and log into your battle. Net account. This ensures you can connect with your friends through the battle. Net client. To start playing, head to the Multiplayer tab on the main menu. From there, select Custom to open the custom game interface. Next, click Create Game to host your own lobby. You will then choose from hundreds of maps and various game modes, including 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2, 3 versus 3, or 4 versus 4 team games. Take a moment to select the perfect map and settings for your group. With your lobby created, it's time to invite your friends. Click the plus sign next to an empty player slot and select your friends from your battle. Net Friends list. You can invite up to 7 other players for a full 8-player match. Before starting, adjust game settings such as game speed, difficulty, and team arrangements to suit everyone's preferences. Confirm everyone is ready and you are all set for an epic battle. Once the game begins, effective communication is key. Use the in-game chat or an external voice chat program to coordinate strategies with your teammates. Whether you are working together on team objectives or competing in a free-for-all, clear communication enhances the experience. Experiment with different unit compositions and build orders to discover new tactics. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the strategic depth that StarCraft 2 offers with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.